Hey guys, Machine Gun Alley here. I'm out at the range right now, and this is going to be the last 100 rounds for my 1,000 round mark with the SAR USA K12 Sport. So I brought my range safety officer and assistant instructors with me, Brian and Jack Chop Jamie. So we're also going to have them testing out the SAR K12 Sports as well. So I want their reactions and their inputs of what they think about it. And I'm sure it's going to be the same as what I think about it, which is absolutely amazing. So, give me a minute. All right, Jamie, so you've done about 900 rounds with your SAR USA K12 Sport. You're on your last 100 rounds. Let's go ahead and load it up and see if it keeps shooting just as well as it's been.
All right, let's see.
How's it feel?
I love this gun. Gun shoots smooth and straight, very accurate. For a gun with blacked out sights, shoots awesome.
Nice. All right, let's try another magazine a little faster.
All right.
Awesome! Hell yeah! I've got about 20 rounds left before I hit 1,000 rounds, so I'm going to shoot those off real quick and celebrate my 1,000 round victory. Like butter. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and have Brian shoot his SAR K12 Sport. Now he's also right about 950 rounds, and he actually has switched out to the lock grips. So I just want to give you guys a little view here. These are the lock grips that you could put on the K12 Sport. They look pretty sporty right there. Pretty. All right, let's try another mag a little bit faster. How's it feeling?
Fantastic.
Nice job.
I love this gun. I mean, seriously, I couldn't have done a better job. I mean, there's just a few things we personally changed to the gun, but otherwise, the proof's in the pudding. These guys have been shooting like this since day one. Nothing, it hasn't stopped for anything. I mean, this gun keeps on shooting. Nothing it'll take that it won't shoot. You know, the only thing we haven't shot is one. Otherwise, it's shot everything we can get our hands on.
Hey guys, Machine Gun Hallie here. I am out here in the desert with my instructors, Mike and Brian. Say hi. Hi guys. And Jamie over here. Hello. And we are testing out the SAR K12 Sports out here, and we've got plenty of steel to shoot. What? So we are going to be giving you a little bit of demonstration of how the SAR K12 Sports handle out here in the desert against some steel. So stay tuned. We will let you know. Nice.
Very smooth gun, very smooth shooting. Nice crisp trigger. The grip's nice.
Rapid fire, look at that group though. You know,
Rapid
outstanding.
fire is pretty good.
Tight.
I like the fact that you can also use the CZ Shadow 2 mags. These ones, I put the 3-round extended base plates on them for 20 rounds. So easy to find mags for this gun too.
There you go. There you go.
Empty. Nice shooting, Tex. Nice.
This thing's fantastic.
Okay, so we've been shooting steel for a little bit now out here in the desert, and now we are testing the SAR K12 Sports against a different challenge. This challenge should prove to you how accurate these are, how on point these firearms are. We are going to put them up against, that's right, playing cards. We're not splitting them facing us, we're splitting them on their edge. So, what we're shooting is that edge. So let's see how we do. All right, Jamie, you're going for the top middle one of those cards.
Yes, ma'am.
We are 21 feet away. That's 7 yards away. We're using our SAR K12 Sports. Let's go for it. Oh!
Yeah!
One shot!
Number one, baby.
Woo! Look at this. Perfect split on that card. So, Jamie, what is your opinion on the SAR K12 Sport?
Oh, I love this gun. This gun shoots awesome. Very accurate. I mean, speaks for itself.
Obviously.
You can't get a better feeling firearm, especially for the cost. Awesome,
And even
awesome
with a
firearm.
black on black sight, you were able to pick up that little tiny line of a card?
That was my my first observation with the firearm, was that it had a black on black sight. I've never shot with one. I thought it was going to be really difficult, and I'll tell you, I actually kind of prefer it. It shoots great. I don't mind that sight at all.
Awesome. Well, great job.
Thank you very much.
Let's see if Mike can do it.
Good luck, Mike.
We'll do second row left.
Second row on the left. Boom! Woo! Nice! Perfect split. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you want to give up that SAR K12 Sport?
No?
No, you're
Mine
gonna keep that?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it a little bit. I think I can add it to my arsenal.
All right, congratulations.
Ta-da.
Brian, which card you gonna go for?
Center's on the right.
The centered on the right. Okay. Nice!
Woo! That's 3 people, 1 shot.
Hell yeah!
Don't tell me this thing's not magnificent, okay? This is 21 feet, 7 yards, shooting a bullet onto a target that's 0.58 of an inch thick. Okay, try that shooting at 1 shot, okay? This is 1 shot doing it. And all of us have done that in 1 shot. So this gun actually makes it's almost cheating. That's all I can say. It's almost like cheating. You really can't understand how good this gun shoots.
Hey guys, Machine Gun Alley here. I am so happy with the SAR K12 Sport. We've just hit 1,000 rounds and it has not stopped. It is a beast. This thing has eaten every type of ammo we have given it. We have put Federal, we have put Venom, we have put SMB, we've put Winchester, we have put Critical Duty, and we have put Ammo Inc. This gun has eaten all of those ammunition types and it has done wonderful. No stovepipes, no double feeds, no failures at all. This is an amazing firearm. I can't say that enough. I haven't cleaned it since I started shooting it. So no lubrication. I've cleaned it, just a quick cleaning when I first took it out of the box, and that was it. And it has not stopped. This thing is amazing. So something you might have noticed with the K12 Sport, with any of the videos you saw of us shooting on the range, is the consistency of excellence. No matter who was shooting, every single person had a consistency of excellence. These guns, I'm not saying are going to make you immediately an amazing shooter, but I can actually say that I have put these in hands of beginners and they have had consistent, excellent shots, bullseyes, non-stop, perfect, tight groupings. I am a trained shooter. Brian, Jamie, they are all trained shooters. However, we have put these guns in the hands of beginners while we were instructing them, and we've had the same results. These firearms are amazing. I can't say that enough. I can't stress enough the quality of firearm that you would get with the K12 Sport. Now, I've gone ahead and put new grips and a trigger spring set into the K12 Sport from Galloway Precision. Now, what that has done is it's actually drawn my trigger pull down to about 2.8 pounds to 3.2 pounds. Now, it's consistent with those readings for trigger pull, which is nice because it just brings it down about 1 to 2 pounds. With the lock grip that I've put on there, it's actually helped give me a better grip than the original grips. So let me flip this around and I'll let you guys see what I've done. So here's my SAR K12. I've put on the lock grips. These are the Boondock Saint lock grips. They are from the movie The Boondock Saints. They add just a little bit of extra grip with this texture right here, which actually really is nice on your hands. And I'll flip it over for you. It's got a nice red lining as well, which is nice. And so it's Aquitas and Veritas. So that's what those look like. They're fantastic. They actually feel really good. They have quite a variety of grips for the SAR USA K12 Sport. So if you are wanting to get a lock grip for the K12 Sport, you will need to get a Tanfolio short grip. That's what you would need for this firearm, just so you know. But let's take a closer look. Now remember, I've done over 1,000 rounds now, and I have not cleaned this one time, and it's still running fantastic. Not a single cleaning, and it runs perfectly. So after 1,000 rounds, I'm going to show you what this looks like on the internals. There is 1,000 round dirtiness. Here's the slide. 1,000 rounds of carbon, lead particulate buildup. That's right. I'm proud of my masterpiece. This has gone non-stop, not one malfunction, not one stoppage, 1,000 rounds plus now. Beautiful. I am very happy to announce that I will be giving this a bath, a well-deserved bath. Here's the barrel. You can see that it's got some stress points going on right now. It definitely is like, clean me, please. So, overall, there's our K12 Sport taken apart and ready for a cleaning. It is an amazing price for the firearm that you get, the quality of firearm that you get. It is insane. So if you are in the market and trying to find yourself a firearm that you can use for both plinking, practice, and potential competition, this would be the firearm that I would recommend for you. If you want something that you can go to the range and do every kind of application that you can think of, this would be the gun for you. This is just, my mind is blown with SAR USA right now. They are like a hidden unicorn that I've just discovered in the forest. So I am overly impressed with them. I can't give them enough thumbs. I don't have enough thumbs to show my appreciation to SAR USA. So because it is going to be needing a cleaning, I plan on doing a deep dive cleaning and doing a field strip. So we'll be taking the K12 Sport apart completely. So stay tuned. We will be doing that video shortly. But to SAR USA, you guys have done a phenomenal job. I am so happy and I am so proud to be able to have tested this firearm out, and I am honored to be the one to share this with YouTube and with all of my followers. So keep up the good work. 10 million thumbs up. I am so happy and proud. Thank you so much. Thank you, SAR USA. Thank you, YouTubers, for letting me share this with you. And stay tuned for future videos. This is Machine Gun Alley. Shoot safe, shoot true, shoot often. And remember, it's your right. Respect it and protect it. See you guys later.